What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to create a Google account without a phone number. The first method is skipping the phone number field on Google's sign up page. Just go to your Google account creation page, then click create account and choose for myself. Fill in your name, username and password. Then when you skip and reach the phone number step, look carefully for a skip button. If the skip option appears, click it and continue the registration. If it doesn't appear, you might have to use a VPN. Secondly, use incognito or private mode. Open Google Chrome, then open the incognito tab. Go to the Google's account creation page and start creating a new account as normal. When prompted for a phone number, check for the skip button. And thirdly and finally, use the don't have an email address or phone number option. Begin creating a Google account, and if you see an option like I don't have an email address or a phone number, select it. Create a new Gmail address and password and continue the setup process, and you may see one of two paths. Google asks for a phone number again but shows the skip button, or just click skip to continue, or it shows a QR code. Just scan it with your smartphone, a notification appears on your phone, and after confirming, the phone entry page appears with a skip option. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.